that's how to schedule your Instagram post. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the entire video and don't skip any important steps. First, log into your Instagram account. Now click on the plus icon. After that, click on the post and you have to select the post that you want to upload. Now click on the next option at the top right corner. Here, if you want to edit your post, you can edit it, but if you don't want to edit, then you can simply skip this step. After that, here you have to enter any details related to your post. Now if you want to add any locations, tag people, you can also do that. You can also add music to your post. After that, here you will be able to view the option of advanced settings. Click on it. Now here you will be able to view the option of schedule this post. Enable this option. Then here you have to select the date and time for your post to be scheduled and then click on the done. Now click on the share option at the top right corner. So that's how to schedule your Instagram post.